Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dream Speak English, where we make English simple and enjoyable. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Hello to all of our wonderful listeners, wherever you are in the world right now. It's so great to be here with you today. Jack, how are you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic, Sarah. I just looked out my window and I saw snow falling. Beautiful white snow.
That is perfect timing, because today we are going to talk about winter.
Winter, my favorite season.
Really? Your favorite? I thought you liked summer.
Well, I like summer too, but winter has something special. The snow, the cozy evenings, the hot chocolate.
I see. It's all about the hot chocolate.
Maybe a little bit. So today we're going to learn how to talk about winter in English.
Yes, and this is a very practical topic because winter happens every year and we need to talk about it.
We do. The weather, the activities, the feelings. Winter gives us so many things to discuss.
Exactly. And before we jump into our winter conversation, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Dream Speak English.
Please click that subscribe button and give this episode a like. It helps us reach more learners like you.
And share this with your friends. Learning English together makes it more fun.
Thank you so much. Now, Jack, let's start with the basics. What is winter?
Well, winter is one of the 4 seasons. We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And winter is the coldest season of the year.
Yes, it usually comes after autumn and before spring. In many countries, winter is December, January, and February.
That's true for the northern part of the world, but in the southern part, winter is June, July, and August.
Good point. So our listeners in Australia or South America have winter when we have summer.
Exactly. The Earth is very interesting.
It is. Now, Jack, let me ask you, what is the first thing you think about when I say the word winter?
The first thing I think about is cold.
Cold, yes, that's the main feeling of winter. It's freezing outside. I need to wear a big warm coat.
Freezing, that's a great word. Let's talk about some important winter vocabulary.
Oh, yes, let's help our listeners learn the essential words.
The first word is cold. This is simple. Cold means low temperature, the opposite of hot. When I go outside in winter, I say, "It's so cold today."
Perfect. And if it's very, very cold, we can say freezing. Freezing is stronger than cold.
Yes. For example, I'm freezing. I need to go inside.
We also have the word chilly. Chilly is a little cold, but not freezing. Right. Chilly is when you need a jacket, but you're not suffering. It's a bit chilly this morning.
Great. Now let's talk about snow. Snow is frozen water that falls from the sky. Snow is white and soft. Children love to play in snow.
We can use snow as a noun or a verb. As a noun, we say, look at the snow on the ground. As a verb, it's snowing outside.
I love watching it snow. It's so peaceful.
Me too. Another important word is ice. Ice is frozen water. It's very hard and slippery.
Slippery means it's easy to fall down. Be careful, the road is icy. Icy is the adjective. It means covered with ice.
We also say frosty. Frost is thin ice that appears on windows and grass in the morning. It's a frosty morning today.
Beautiful. Now we have one more word. Cozy.
Cozy. This is my favorite winter word. Cozy means warm and comfortable. It's a feeling. When I sit by the fire with a blanket and a cup of tea, I feel cozy.
That sounds wonderful. My house is very cozy in winter.
Perfect. Right. Chilly is when you need a jacket, but you're not suffering. It's a bit chilly this morning.
Great. Now let's talk about snow. Snow is frozen water that falls from the sky. Snow is white and soft. Children love to play in snow.
We can use snow as a noun or a verb. As a noun, we say, look at the snow on the ground. As a verb, it's snowing outside.
I love watching it snow. It's so peaceful.
Me too. Another important word is ice. Ice is frozen water. It's very hard and slippery.
Slippery means it's easy to fall down. Be careful, the road is icy. Icy is the adjective. It means covered with ice.
We also say frosty. Frost is thin ice that appears on windows and grass in the morning. It's a frosty morning today.
Beautiful. Now we have one more word, cozy.
Ah, cozy. This is my favorite winter word. Cozy means warm and comfortable. It's a feeling. When I sit by the fire with a blanket and a cup of tea, I feel cozy.
That sounds wonderful. My house is very cozy in winter.
Perfect. So we have cold, freezing, chilly, snow, ice, icy, frosty, and cozy. Those are essential winter words.
Now let's use them in conversation. I'm ready. Let's talk about winter.
Okay, Sarah, tell me, what is the weather like today where you are?
Well, today it is very cold. The temperature is about -5 degrees.
-5. Oh, that is freezing.
It is. And it snowed last night. There's snow everywhere.
Is the snow deep?
No, not very deep. Maybe 10 centimeters. But it looks beautiful. I love fresh snow. Everything looks clean and white.
Me too. But the sidewalks are a bit icy now.
Oh, that is dangerous. You need to walk carefully.
Yes, I almost slipped this morning.
Be careful, Jack. We need you for the podcast.
Don't worry, I'm okay. What about you, Sarah? How's the weather where you are?
It's cold, but not freezing. It's about 2 degrees today.
That is chilly. Is it snowing?
No, not right now, but the weather report says it might snow tomorrow.
Oh, exciting. Do you like snow?
I do. I like how quiet everything becomes when it snows. The world feels calm.
I know exactly what you mean. It's magical.
It is. But I don't like when the snow becomes dirty and gray after a few days.
Yes, that's not so magical.
No, but fresh snow is perfect.
So, Sarah, what do you wear in winter?
That's a great question. Let's talk about winter clothes.
Yes, this is very practical vocabulary. In winter, I wear a coat. A coat is a long jacket. It keeps me warm.
I wear a winter coat too. Mine is black and very thick. Thick means it has a lot of material. It's good for cold weather.
I also wear a scarf. A scarf goes around your neck. Scarves are essential in winter. They keep your neck warm.
I have a red scarf. My grandmother made it for me.
That is very sweet. Handmade scarves are the warmest.
They are. What else do you wear?
I wear gloves. Gloves keep my hands warm. Some people say mittens. Mittens are like gloves, but your fingers are together.
That's true. Gloves have separate fingers. Mittens do not. I prefer gloves. I can use my phone with gloves.
Good point. And I always wear a hat in winter. A winter hat is sometimes called a beanie.
Yes, a beanie. It covers your head and sometimes your ears. My ears get very cold in winter, so a hat is necessary.
Do you wear boots?
Yes, I wear winter boots. Boots are tall shoes. They keep my feet dry in the snow.
Winter boots often have good grip on the bottom so you don't slip on the ice.
That is important. So to summarize, we have coat, scarf, gloves, mittens, hat, beanie, and boots. All important winter items.
Now let's talk about winter activities.
Oh yes, the fun part. What do you like to do in winter, Jack?
Well, I like to stay inside where it's warm.
That is honest. What do you do inside?
I like to read books. I sit on my sofa with a blanket and read for hours.
That sounds very cozy.
It is. I also like to watch movies. Winter is perfect for movie marathons.
Movie marathons. That means watching many movies in a row?
Yes, maybe 3 or 4 movies in one day.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I like to watch Christmas movies or funny comedies, something late and happy.
That is nice. Do you drink hot chocolate while you watch?
Always. Hot chocolate is the best winter drink.
I agree. Sometimes I add marshmallows.
Marshmallows make everything better.
What about you, Jack? What do you like to do in winter?
I like outdoor activities.
Really? Even when it's freezing?
Yes, I think winter sports are exciting.
Tell me more.
Well, I like to go skiing. Skiing is when you slide down a snowy mountain on skis. Skis are long, flat pieces of equipment you attach to your boots.
Exactly. Skiing is very fast and fun.
It sounds a bit scary to me.
It can be scary at first, but then it becomes amazing.
Do you go skiing often?
I try to go once or twice every winter. I go to the mountains with my friends.
That sounds like a great trip. What else do you do?
I also like ice skating. Ice skating is when you wear special shoes with blades and you slide on the ice. There are ice skating rinks in many cities.
Yes, even if there is no natural ice, you can go to an indoor rink.
I tried ice skating once. I fell down many times.
Everyone falls at first. It is part of the experience.
Maybe I will try again. What about sledding?
Oh, sledding is so much fun. Sledding is when you sit on a sled and slide down a snowy hill. A sled is like a small flat board or plastic sheet.
Yes, children love sledding, but adults can enjoy it too.
It does look fun, and you don't need any special skills.
Exactly. You just sit and slide. Very simple.
Do you build snowmen?
Sometimes, building a snowman is a classic winter activity. For our listeners, a snowman is a figure made of snow, usually 3 big balls of snow stacked on top of each other. You use sticks for the arms and stones for the eyes and mouth.
And often you put a carrot for the nose.
Yes, and a hat and a scarf to make him look friendly.
I love snowmen. They make winter feel playful.
They do. What about snowball fights?
Snowball fights. That is when you throw balls of snow at your friends.
Yes, it is a game. You try to hit your friends with snowballs, but in a friendly way.
It is fun, but very cold. Your hands get wet and freezing.
That is true, but it is worth it.
So we have many winter activities: reading, watching movies, skiing, ice skating, sledding, building snowmen, and snowball fights. Winter is not boring at all.
No, it is not. Now, let's talk about how winter makes us feel.
Oh, that is interesting. How does winter make you feel, Sarah?
Well, sometimes winter makes me feel sleepy. I want to stay in bed longer.
Yes, the mornings are dark and cold. It is hard to wake up.
Exactly. I feel lazy in winter. I don't want to go outside.
I understand. We say winter makes us want to hibernate.
Hibernate. That is when animals sleep all winter long, like bears. Bears hibernate in winter.
Yes, sometimes I feel like a bear. I just want to sleep and eat.
That is normal. Our bodies want to rest in winter.
But winter also makes me feel cozy. When I am inside my warm house, I feel safe and comfortable.
Yes, there's something special about being warm when it's cold outside. I appreciate my home more in winter.
Me too. What about holidays? Winter has many holidays.
Oh, yes. Christmas is in winter and New Year's Day. In some countries, there's Hanukkah and Kwanzaa.
Winter is a time for family and celebration.
Yes, people gather together. They share meals and give gifts. This makes winter feel festive.
Festive means full of celebration and joy.
Winter can feel romantic, too. Couples walk in the snow, holding hands.
Yes, there are many love stories set in winter. The cold weather gives us a reason to stay close to each other.
That is true. We need to share body heat.
Exactly. Winter also makes us appreciate spring more.
Oh, yes. After months of cold weather, we are so happy when spring arrives. We notice the first flowers and the warmer temperatures. We feel grateful for the sunshine.
So winter teaches us appreciation.
I like that idea, Jack. Winter is not just cold and dark. It has meaning.
It does. It is a time to rest, to reflect, and to be with loved ones.
And to drink hot chocolate.
Always hot chocolate. For now, we have a question for all of you listening.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Here's today's question. What is your favorite winter activity and why? Do you like to stay inside and read? Do you like to go skiing? Do you like to build snowmen?
Tell us in the comments. Write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my favorite winter activity is ice skating because it is fun and exciting. Or, I love staying home and drinking tea because I feel cozy.
We read every comment. We love learning about your lives. And writing in English is great practice.
It is, so please share your answer with us. And if you enjoyed this conversation, please subscribe to Dream Speak English. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss our future episodes. And give this video a like. It helps us create more content for learners like you.
Share this with your friends who are learning English. We want to grow our community.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You are doing a wonderful job with your English. Keep going, keep practicing. Winter is a beautiful season, and now you can talk about it confidently in English.
Stay warm, everyone. Take care of yourselves. We will see you very soon in our next episode. Until then, happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.